About 1,300 people a month in Nashville face eviction. That's according to the Princeton University Eviction Lab.
And that's a 24% increase compared to pre-pandemic averages. News 2's Adam Minster tells us a Metro Council member is now pushing for $2 million to fund a program she says has already helped more than 1,000 people facing eviction.
It starts with a piece of paper on the door, but in days, an eviction notice can leave people feeling hopeless. Julie Iriart of the Nashville Hispanic Bar Association sees it daily.
A mother contacted me. She was in active labor and had an eviction setting the next day. And so I talked to her at like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. She had the baby around midnight, and I was there the next day at court to make sure that when she went home from the hospital, that she and her kids had a place to stay.
She was able to help this client because of Metro government. The program is called Nashville's Eviction Right to Counsel. It was started about 2 years ago with about $3 million in funding. The program gives low and middle income people facing eviction free legal representation. Now council member Zulfat Swara wants another $2 million to keep the program going.
I know that housing is an issue in Nashville, but as we continue to build housing, it's also important for us to help people stay in their home. We don't want people to lose their homes.
Since 2021, 1,400 people have gotten legal representation through the program.
A lot of times we see people that are behind on rent because they were out on maternity leave, or they had a cancer diagnosis and they're navigating medical bills, or their car broke down and they couldn't get to work.
98% of the time, a property owner or manager has a lawyer with them in eviction court, but tenants only have an attorney 1 to 2% of the time.
We're able to negotiate a better agreement with the other side to make sure they're able to stay in their home. We help our clients with repayment plans. We help our clients get maintenance, repairs that haven't been done for an extended period of time.
And Councilwoman Swara also says this program is actually saving Metro Council money. An outside group calculated the financial risk of it and found it may have saved Nashville about $4.5 million over the past 2 years. That's money that would have been spent on the medical and social service bills for these people if they did lose their home. Haley?